Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use AvaTrade signals very easy. First of all, we are here on the chart and we want to use singles, so we click on the new icon where we can go to singles. Then right here you will see a lot, but if you want to search for a symbol, then make sure that you click here on one of these symbols and then search for the one that you want to trade in. Right now we want to create a single for gold, so we click on gold and then we select right here view single. Then right here you can see here all the areas for a single, and now what you can do is very simple because we can click here on sell at or buy at, and if we do that, so let's do buy at. You can create here your own position by clicking now on buy and then create your position right here for a single on the chart. So when he will hit that amount, he will take the position and you will get a single. So this is how you can use singles on AvaTrade. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.